All right, welcome back. So, in continuation, I was expecting this reversal to the upside, but I needed more confirmation. Now, let's go down to the lower time frame. I'll just be quick right here. Now, for me to be able to take this trade, let me just be frank with you. I would really like this market to do something like this, even if not pull all the way back here. But I would really like the market to pull back at least a little bit and then give us kind of like a W pattern. Yes, I want the market to pull back and give us kind of like a W pattern. Yes. So, obviously, obviously, what I'm actually seeing here, this is a key level. This is a very key level. This is a what? A support, turn resistant, turn support, turn resistant, that's turn support and resistant in several times. So if I should be anticipating anything, I will expect the market to pull back kind of like this and then sell off into this level, then maybe continue like this. So that it will give us a bigger W to the continuation of the bullish trend. Yes, to the continuation of the bullish trend. So, and that is why, as you can see here, there's no much, there's no much of a price action, just reversal trend right here, as you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This level here is just doing as if it wants to create. It is a dodgy candle. The last 4 hour close with a dodgy candle right here, as you can see, and this dodgy candle signifies indecision. This indecision is happening as a point of interest because this was the obvious. Let me take it from the body to the wick. This was the obvious high, the last high price created before it gave this low, and if the market is giving us a doji here, that means we should expect a reversal from this level like this to this place. Yes, obviously, because the market did not break out of this high to continue this bullish movement. Yes, so basically, and the market is closing with a doji on the 4 hour time frame. So it is just what it is. It is just what it is. Maybe if you want to take this trade, yes, if you want to take this trade, the market is in a key level currently right now, and that key level it is accumulation of a doji candle, which is there's an indecision currently right now. The market is in a state of indecision, and reversal to this place is very likely. Now, what will I expect? I'll expect this market to pull back, take out this low right here, take out the liquidity in this level right here, take out this liquidity, and then push to the upside. Push to the upside. This is what I'll obviously expect. Push to the upside. Yes. It's either it takes out the liquidity or it just tap into the liquidity. Which way it wants to, fine. It is fine. Because this level also was a support level. So in just this 1 hour candle, I've been able to spot the support and resistance level in this 4 hour candle, in this 4 hour trend, in this 1 hour trend. Sorry, I've been able to spot the support, the most recent high and the most recent low of the market. You get so anyways, any way the market wants to do, it should do. But I will really likely want to see more confirmations in line with what our higher time frame is telling us. Whatever trade I will be taking here will kind of be like a scalp trade. Yes, it will kind of be like a scalp trade because I wouldn't even hold it for long. But then those scalp trades can still give me what I want. And that is one thing I like about my system. Because no matter how many trades I take, I don't take a trade that is less than 1:4. And if a trade is 1:4, I'm okay. It's okay by me. So basically, you can even short from this level. But for someone like me, I wouldn't like to short from that level like that. I want to wait for something like this market taking out this low right here, take it out like so, pull back, and boom. This is what I want to see. Yes, this is what I would really like to see before I sell that market, because something like that had happened here. Just look at it. Let me delete this. Let me remove it like so. Yes, now as you can see, something like that had happened here before. Look at it. So this reversal started. Now, Most of the times, this is why traders used to be stopped out and market to go their way. Now, let's take for example that you have been able to spot that okay, this was a minor resistance level, and you expect reversal to happen from this level. Now, immediately you expect reversal to happen from this level. Let's say you see this, and then let's say you short the market. Let me use a short example. Let's say you short the market here, and then let's say you use a lower time frame point of interest to take your trade. Then your stop loss, because you can't obviously use a stop loss of 100 pips, it's not possible. Let's say your stop loss was above this week right here, and then your take profit was, let's say, at this level, like so, something like this. Okay, let's just say this level, because this is the next level you should be targeting. Ideally, if you're taking a reversal trade like that, let's say you target this level like this. Now, you are right, your trade perfect, your execution perfect, but look at this. It is most likely for the market to stop you. Or like the market just, let's say you take this trade now, and this place is even very high safe. Let's say you take this trade maybe from here. Let me scale down lower, because I want this thing to be clear so that you guys should avoid unnecessary stop losses. Thank you. This is a 5 minute time frame. Yes, I always like to execute from 5 minute time frame. Now, example, let us say you obviously took yourself from this little pullback that happened here, like this. You took your sale like so, and then your stop loss was just slightly above this high like this. All right, I want to make sure this thing taps that stop loss. Yes, because most traders will most likely do something like this. So you place your trade like so, place your trade like so, and your stop loss was just slightly above this high. Why is it not even tapping itself? Crazy. It's crazy. Okay, thank you. Let us say your stop loss was just above this high, because even the fact that the stop loss is above this high, let's see how many pip stop. That was 30 pip stop, which is most traders will not likely want to use a 30 pip stop on a single trade, because at least 30 pip to me 30 pip. I like my system. 30 pip is a very big is a very big stop loss, a wide stop loss to me, because I always like my risk to reward to be very nice. Now, for example, let's say you expect this reversal to happen all the way to this level, right? Example, and you've placed your trade, market has come close to your what? This is very crazy. Market has come close to your TP right here, and then there is no reason. Okay, well, there is no reason. Like, I mean, there is no reason. Like, I didn't see any reason why this market should pull back in this place where it is currently. Yes, I did not see any reason why, because this is a pullback, and I was expecting this pullback to happen all the way here. Now, let's say I'm already in this sell trade now. In this market, all of a sudden started to start to pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, and then stops me out. Now, and then only for the market to immediately after stopping me out, started to go in my direction and smash TP. It is crazy. So to avoid that, always want to wait for the market to do something like this on your higher time frame. Always try to wait for the market to do something like this on your higher time frame. Let's say this pullback like this drop pullback. Now, as you can see, this pullback, it gave you an M pattern, as you can see. You see, so always wait for, just like what I was explaining for you guys here. That was what I was explaining here, that I want to see a pull out and then a pull back into that level. Then it's in the last leg of that pullback that you want to be taking your trades from. And let me give you a secret: if you're taking your trade from that last pullback, you can scale down to as small as your 5 minute time frame and execute. And that is how you will get a very crazy risk to reward on any trade you're taking. Yes, this is just it. This is how to get nice risk to reward. Your stop loss does not need to be tight very well in levels where you don't expect the market. Maybe let's say example, if you're taking your trade from this place, your stop loss will be very wide. But if you want a tight stop loss and a nice risk to reward, what you just simply do is wait for the market to give you a nice pullback and then simply scale down to your lower time frame. Now, somebody like me, I would obviously take an entry in any of these small pullback that's happening here. Any of these pullback happening here, this is where I'll take myself from. Any of these pullbacks. What will I just simply do? Let me not give you guys too much of information. So this is where I'll take just this is where I'm gonna take any of my what sales. This is where I'll just execute and then target this low. Simple as that, and simple and short. So basically, like I said, let me go back to the higher time frame because that's where we only use lower time frame for executions, and then we use higher time frame to know how to take our decisions in the market. Now, this is, as you can even see, the market is really trying to react to the sell. Let me go to 4 hours so that you will see that you see that buy that was happening then that is already beginning to turn to sell. So this is a trade signal. Depending on when you see this video, this trade is likely to happen. If you want to take advantage of it, fine. So excuse me. Now the market is at that level. We have a 4 hour dodgy candle. But that's still not enough confirmation for us. What do we want to wait to see? Want to wait to see something like this happening. I want to wait to see something like this happening. Market pull back like this, and then started to give us little pullbacks, then maybe boom, maybe just boom to this level. Or don't forget that this market, that is why you should always try, like, just know what you're doing in the market. This market is in the uptrend. Yes, this market is on an uptrend. Like, let's say, I don't even know how to explain it. This is a correction, but it is still an uptrend. Yes, because currently, before in this 30-minute chart, this is an uptrend. But if you go to your higher time frame, it's just a correction. So basically, this is what? A low, lower high, higher high, sorry, lower high, higher high, lower high, and then normally we're supposed to put up a what? A higher high, but the market failed to put up a higher high here and respected this level of what? Resistance. So it's crazy. Now, looking at this price action right here, don't forget I told you guys that maybe we should be expecting that, and that is one thing I don't like on trading a market that is 50-50, because anything I'm seeing right here now, I am not most likely certain about it, because this pullback that's happening right here, if a whole like this, the whole week has changed from a sell to a buy. So it is crazy, but it is a market. We just have to react to what we are seeing on the chart. And now, if you look closely at what's happening, if you look closely at this trend that's happening here, you tend to find out that this trend, what happened here is similar to what's happening here. Look at it very, very closely. Now, this market pulled up like so, gave an M pattern. Let me just scale down to a smaller time so that you guys will see what I'm saying. This market initially, where is part? Okay. This market initially gave a W pattern right here. It gave a W pattern, right? And then it pulled all the way here, gave an M pattern. This is why you should take, anywhere you see this M pattern, take it very serious. And then pull down, give a W pattern right here. Now, look at this W. It pulled up. Now, the same thing that happened here is the same thing that's happening here. It gave an M pattern right here. Can you see? Now, you should be a very good observer in this market. Always try to observe what the market is doing. Always try to observe what the market is doing. Now, after it give, this M pattern is wider than this M pattern. Now, it has pulled back to this place and is giving us a what? A W pattern. Can you see? It's crazy. Even of a W pattern. Now, where last did this market reverse from? The last time this market reversed from the neckline of this W. Now, if you want to take your sell, you want to place your TP at this level, your first TP here, or the TP should be in your mind that any rejection I begin to see from this level, I want to what? I want to take my what? My take profits. Yes, I want to take my take profit. Any reactions, or maybe any buy reactions I see around this place, maybe the market is giving a weak sign around here, just like what happened here. As you can see, weeks before the reverse. Maybe if I'm seeing weeks here, maybe the market is struggling to pass. Just close your trade. If you still want to hold, maybe you break even and then you still hold. So let's say you take your sell from this level like so. Like I always say, don't buy at what resistance, don't sell at resistance. So always wait for the market to give you something like this. Ehen, that's when you want to sell. Never you sell at resistance. It's a crime to sell at resistance or buy at support. Yes. Don't buy at those levels. Buy after those levels have been tapped into. That is what you always want to do as a trader. Now, for you to be very smart in this market, you have to be a very good observer. As you can see, I'm just looking. This is what I didn't study this chart before I start this video, but I'm just telling you based on what I'm seeing right here. Like I'm just explaining this sheet based on what I'm seeing right here. And as you can see, this thing is in a very, let me find a way to remove this thing, and you will see how it is in a very state, it is like in an orderly manner. Look at it. It is in a very, very look. Now, on a normal day, now, if you look at something like this, it's very confusing. If you see a diagram like this, it might be very, very confused. But you just need to learn how to decipher this shit. But from time to time, you will actually get through it. This video is becoming very long, but I think I'll just make it episode 3, A and B. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So, because I just need to pass this information to you guys. So, just what you can do for me is just to subscribe, share to your friends, share to your family members that are interested in learning how to trade the financial market in the most realistic way. I'm not doing any rocket science right here. This is just pure price action, and we are using what is happening in the market to analyze the market. No indicators, no moving averages, just you, the chart, and your system or your phone, whatever. So back to business. Now, normally, if we are to take this sell trade, I want to see a pullback, something like this and this. Now, if we're executing, we execute at that level. Let's say we execute here, then our take profit should be here, second take profit should be here. So if we break this level aggressively, I will still hold the trade all the way here. If we still take out this level aggressively, now, how do you know if the market takes out the level aggressively? Let me show you an example of an aggressive break. Look at this. Look at this break. This is an aggressive break. Can you see? This is an aggressive break. Let me look for another one again so that you guys will understand what I mean by aggressively. Let's say example. This is a minor resistance level. Look how the market break it out. This is an aggressive break. Let me look for another one again so that you guys can actually understand what I mean by aggressive break, where a single candle will break the level. Yes, when a single candle breaks a key level, that is an aggressive break. To tell you that the buyers or the sellers at that moment have overshadowed that resistance level. And obviously, if I see a very strong bearish candle breaking this purple bar right here, breaking this purple bar right here. Let me just take it from here like this, the bodies. So let's say I see a strong candle just breaking like this and closing below it like this. That will still give me more morale to still hold the market all the way here. But if I see market comes here tapping and just tap, maybe giving weeks, I'll just close the trade. Easy as that. So basically, if you want to take this trade, you want to wait for this to happen, and this to happen. But like I said, GBP, JPY, whatever you do, have it in the back of your mind that we are overall bullish. Now, if you look at these bullish moves that have been happening here, they like the bullish move have been happening so nicely. You see, pull, reversal, boom, reversal, boom. So it is just crazy. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. Now there's every tendency for this market to take out this resistance level right here, this minor resistance level right here. But you don't want to take chances. Always be patient. That's just the key. Be patient. That is just it. Be very patient. Now I will be very patient and want to wait for this market to do something like this. Like this, this is even too wide. I'll be very patient to something like this, like this, like this, or I'll be very patient to see if it is a breakout to break out like this, come back to tap into it, and then continue. So either ways, you can still catch the move. And then if this should happen, then where you should this level should be your next level target. This bar right here should be your next level target. But if this should happen, then this should be your first level target right here, then your second level target right here. As simple as that. So all these things I drew them in your front, but I just like to leave my chart like this, or better still, just use a single line to be able to map out all these stuffs I'm talking about. I just like to just use just my single purple line right here to just map out what I was talking about. As you can see, this is what I just like to do. Yes, I'll just look for the most recent touches. As you can see, the market has tapped in here one, tapped in here two, tapped in here, and tapped in here on this line. So that is how I just used to use my lines for both my support and resistance. So same thing right here. As you can see, I used to always try to make sure that several touches are on the line. Yes, so that each time price gets back there, I should still expect same reversal or continuation. And if the market will continue, if it breaks it, it has to retest it, just like what obviously happened here. So basically, guys, that's that about GBP JPY. Let me just go to USD Canadian dollar, a brief one on USD Canadian dollar, brief one on USD card. Where is the USD card? All right, here's USD card. So USD card. USD card, I took a sell trade on this pair right here. Yes, I took a sell trade on this pair. It has just been doing its thing, obviously, and it doesn't want to give up the sale. Yeah. So why did I take that sell? To that sell, I think it was like yesterday, 1:5 trade. Why did I take the sell? Just wanna this is just a scalping. This trade is just like call it is a scalp. It's a very, very short scalp because the market has already exhausted its sell already. As you can see, this is the swing low, swing high, and boom, boom. The market has tapped into the 0.61 level. So basically, I'll be closing this trade right now. I just have to close the trade. Yes, I have to because the market has tapped into um the golden zone and is against my rule to trade against the golden zone because I will definitely most of the times I will get bumped. So basically, the market is respecting the 0.61 level, which is this right here. As you can see, it has tapped into it several times and reversed. Yeah, it has tapped into it several times and reversed. So I'll be closing my trade soon. I'll be closing my trade, but I really expect this market to. I really wanted to sell all the way into this level, this zone right here, and that is why my TP, was kind of here because I really wanted because I expected to fake out this. This is a strong support level right here. As you can see, this is a strong support level. So whatever I'm doing on the chart, I always know what I'm doing. So that is just the main thing. Always know what you're doing on the chart. Know why if you're taking a decision on the chart, know why you're taking a decision on the chart. And that is why you need a mentor that will guide you through. If you're starting out as a trader, look for mentor, look for people that have been in the market and have been trading the market for a while so that they'll be able to take you along and show you what you need to know so that you'll be profitable in a very short while. So basically, USD Canadian dollar. I think last week I've been calling USD buy USD card buy. Excuse me. I've been calling from this level. I think when I started FOREX pipeline, USD card was at this level. I call it buy all the way to this level. I said if the market takes out this level and sustains above it, it will most likely get here. Now, if you guys remember on gold, there was something that happened on gold, and just want to just use it as an instance for you guys on this chart right here. Now, this is an inverse head and shoulder. This whole move here is an inverse head and shoulder. Now let's just look at it. Let me just show you guys so that you see what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. As you can see, bam. Now it's crazy, right? It's very crazy. Now the same thing that happened on gold is the same thing that's trying to happen here. Now look at it. This market has taken out the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. immediately it took out the neckline because this 1.4, this black line here, is a round number of 1,000 pip movement. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you guys. Is it 1,000 pip movements? I think, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, no, not yes, 1,000 pip movement. It is, yes, it is. Black lines are the 1,000 pip movement. Yes. So this is 1,000. Is around like okay. Let me just use an instance to explain this shit for you guys. So this is the last low. Look at this market closely. You need to be a very good observer, a very good one at that. Now, forex market respects round number. This is the low of this whole range. This is the 1,000 pip range. Look, if this market breaks out of this 1,000 pip, this market is going to move times two of the amount. I'm just telling you, this is for a fact. This is a normal phenomenon in the market. Once we come out of this range, I tell you, USD card will blast to the moon. It will blast. I promise you that. And that is why I had already set out, as you can see. Let me just zoom out so that you see. I have already set out levels where I expect it to potentially reach. Once it takes out this range that we are all seeing right here, this range, it will give us 1,000 people movement again, because it has ranged for over 1,000 people, and it's crazy. It's crazy, very crazy. It has ranged for over 1,000 people. So if it's giving us another movement that's going to give us 1,000 people movement, it's just a normal phenomenon in the market. So that aside, let's just scale down. Let's just scale down. Now, looking at what happened on gold that time, I explained to you guys. I said that was an inverse head and shoulder. The market faked out traders first. Now, I was not surprised when this shit happened right here, because I expected it. Like I said, each time a major high has been taken, I expect a reversal to follow. This major high was taken out, a reversal followed. Now, I was ideally not expecting this market to pull all the way down here, but who am I? Is what the market chooses to do that to do. Now, this is the neckline of a W pattern. And initially, I expected this neckline to hold. I wouldn't lie. I expected this neckline to hold. I expected this pullback to just stop right here, and then maybe the market will buy. This is what I expected. But the market did otherwise. It broke below it and then drop, 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 drop. It went now to tell you that if your technicals are right, fundamentals will back you up. Yes, I think some days back, but in this week, because this price action happened this week. Now, when this level was broken, let me just scale down to my lower time frame so you guys can see what I'm talking about. When this level was broken, I had my line at this level. I just actually deleted it. I had my line at this level. Now, when this level was now, I was expecting this market to reverse from here. It just induced buyers. People bought, like, induced buyers. Yes, of course, took them here and then sold off. Now, when this market approached this level right here, look at this. This is a candlestick. This is a candlestick formation. This is a candlestick formation that signifies buy. In between here, this is a candlestick formation that signifies buy. But that's why I keep advising you guys not to buy at support level, because these candlesticks are always manipulated. They are most of the times manipulated. Now look at this. Normally, if you see this kind of like a shooting star right here, but not like a shooting star, but it's just like a shooting a hammer. It's like just like a hammer. Sorry, not a shooting star, like a hammer. Now, ideally, it's supposed to be like a buy signal, but as you can see, what followed was a sell, and then a sell, a sell, a sell, a sell, and then it is smaller doji, and then a sell, a sell. So that is why I always advise that always wait for either market to do boom, boom, continue. Now, the opposite happened. Just look at it. When the market broke out, it retested and then it continued. Can you see it? So it is once, just make retest your friend. Make retest your friend. Always try to join the trade after a retest, not before a retest. Always try to join the trade after a retest, not before a retest. Now, from this in here, When the market broke this level right here, I saw a news coming out that says USD card has broke a major support level, blah 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 blah. Normally fundamentals will always come out and talk. I saw the news came out and they were like USD card has broken the strong support level, blah 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 blah, blah. But then if you're a newbie trader and you only trade fundamentals, you think that okay, it is the best time to sell the market, to short the market, to do what, should do what. You might be right. The market might go your way for some time, but just look at what's happening right here now. Market is really reversing. I'll still hold this trade. Actually, I'll still hold this trade because I expect the market to drop all the way here. I'll still hold this trade. Yes, I'll still hold this trade for my reasons. I have my reasons. So now, if if you are a newbie trader and you only trade fundamentals, and then let's say you take, maybe after you saw that news, you now take your trade here, stop loss above this low right here, then the market sells, and then you're expecting it to target maybe the next maybe support or next support level, which is kind of right here. Now there is most tendency that if this market reverse from this level, where I like this trade I took now, this market reverse from this level, because look at this. This is a shooting star. A here no, not a shooting star. This is a hammer. Look at it closely. Crazy. This is a hammer. Can you see? This is a hammer on on a support level. So it's crazy, very crazy. This is a hammer on a support level, which signifies that buyers have come into this market because market has tapping here one, tapping here two. This is the third tap, the third touch. This is the third touch and it's risky though. So why am I not panicking? Don't worry, I'm not panicking because um I'm not actually in drawdown. My trade is already in break even already, so I don't need to panic. So and this trade now is just like is a risk free trade. This trade is a risk free trade. So the market has pulled into a this pullback here. I was explaining something to you guys. This pullback here was is just a manipulation right here. This is just a manipulation here. I've called this market 1.4 and market has to tap into 1.4. I see no reason why market should not move all the way to 1.4. I see no reason. I won't lie to you guys. And if we take our 1.4 level, I should expect the market to pull to 1.45. If it pulls to 1.45, it will have to pull back and retest 1.4. It's just a normal market thing. So some people will be like, how do you know all these things? It takes time, it takes study. I didn't just do it in one day. It took me time. It took me time and studies to be able to understand the market this way. So obviously, USD card um has just pulled back into the golden zone, and I'm expecting any reversal patterns any moment. I'm expecting reversal patterns any moment. The when I would really like to take these trades, maybe when I see some kind of a doji candle at this level right here, maybe on the daily or on the 4 hour. That's when I will not be interested in checking for a bias. So as you can see, the market has tapped into the zero point 0.6 level. It tapped into it three times, yes. It tapped into it here, which showed on the lower time frame. So it has tapped into it 3 times, and it is trying to reject to the upside. So, but I wouldn't buy at the support, just like what I always tell you guys, don't buy at the support. Wait for the market to pull out of the support and retest the support level before you should take your trades. Yes, if the market does not retest the support level, it's better for the trade to go down for you to take a loss. I don't think if that one enter your head, but with time, if you're a newbie or an intermediate trader, you really on if you're an intermediate trader, you understand it. But if you're a newbie, with time you understand it. If you want to know how to do all these stuffs, like I said initially, grab the course. If you want to take, I have a mentorship program, and if you want to know how to analyze the chart like this, so for this buy now, for this buy trade that we are anticipating right here, our first level target is going to be this level. And why will I say that level? Because anything can still happen at that level. Anything can still happen at that level. Yes, anything can still happen. Because the last time market came here, it's like it broke out, yes, but it sold off immediately. Just in fact, I was observing this market at this level here. I think I had closed my trade from this level. I took a TP right here. I had closed my trade from this level, and I was just observing the market at this thing that happened here. That day I took a TP at this level here because I closed my TP, my take profit was here, and I was expecting the market to reverse. Yeah, I was expecting the market to reverse. So I was not shocked when I saw a breakout and a week. I was not shocked because that is a major, this is um um a major high in the market. So guys, I think I've done justice to episode 3. If in case you have not watched episode 1 and 2, please go back, watch episode 1 and 2 so that you understand, because it's just kind of like I'm doing a review and a recap of the market. If you go back there, you will see some things I've spoke about in this recent video. I explained them well there. Yes, there are some trades I called out on those pairs, and why I call those trade out. Go back there, check on them, study them, and understand them. Go to the market, practice, and the sky will be your beginning. Forex, as I always say, is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes energy, it takes failures, because you have to fail several times for you to win. So if you have stayed to me with me to the end of this video, um, I really really appreciate you, and you are lucky. Because yes, why am I saying you are lucky? Because I've just dished out a very enlightened episode of the Forex Pipeline. Please preach the Forex Pipeline to your friends. It is a segment of my channel where I come out to break down the charts, to break down the market, to speak the language of the market to you guys. Peace out to you guys. I love you. Very soon with time, I'll begin to do a video where you guys will see my face. But for now, just bear with me. Peace out to everybody. Still become fearless. Whatever the market gives you, don't be scared. You prevail. I still remain your humble host, BFX. Peace out to everybody.